Hello everyone, welcome
YouTube channel. Our lesson today is hoist or crane wiring installation, how to wire control panel circuit, and how to troubleshoot. I will show you my drawing here behind me. Okay, it's my drawing here and control here. I'll show you how to work, right? Okay, this is our hoist control circuit diagram. This is our line here. It's three-phase. Power is 240 to 600 voltage AC. So this is our supply three-phase to M1. This M1 contactor is our main contactor or maintain contactor. This one is main. This is the one here. So when this energy, this one power to fuse, and this one here, fuse for up and down, and this fuse for left, right, or forward reverse, right? Load side here is going to this connection here for the motor is this line 1 here connect to line 3 load side. So this middle one same connection to line 2, and line 3 connected to line 1. So already reversed. This up and down only have one have a brake coil motor to hold the load. Left and right also both they have a gearbox. Okay, so same connection here, forward reverse or up and down. And
This primary control transformer is
connected to line 1 and line 2, and secondary is our voltage is 110 volts we're gonna use. We will use only this fuse only. This a fuse here, control circuit. Kasi ang contactor natin guys is 110 volts ang control ng coil. Okay? So, ito lang ang mawala dito siya. So, iwaward natin yung ito yung up limit switch, normally close. Pag naka-press ang up button,
this M2 normally closed will open.
so even you press this down doesn't work para hindi sila mag-short circuit dito sa itong dalawa na to. Same thing here. This interlock also to avoid short circuit. Okay? Para hindi pumutok ang fuse. Will not blow the fuse. So iwaward natin yan dito. Ating kakamitin natin color coding yung cable natin. Alright? Okay, bye. Itong M, kasi wala tayong power na 3-phase 220 volts. So itong gagamitin lang natin is red and white. So itong dalawang button, this one here, connect natin yung line 1, line 3 dito ng motor. Then saka natin gagamit itong control circuit. Right? The first one here is line 1. Wala nang, hindi na natin kailangan ang wire number ngayon. Madali. M1, load side, connect natin dito. Pero itong gitna, hindi natin gagamitin. Okay? Start. Alright. So, dito yung isa. Ito yung fuse natin. Papunta dito, up and down. And ito yan, yung left, right. Right? Okay, yung light, yung white, neutral. Okay, supply nito gagamitin natin guys naman dito. So kailangan natin jumper doon. Ito, jumper natin tong fuse. Ito yung fuse. May power na dito. Pero wala namang power sa load side, so safe time. So load side, connect to line 1, and line 1 to here, and line 2 here or here. Alright, so tapos na yung supply ng ating fuse na up and down and left and right.
Next, connect supply for
M2 and M3. M2, M3, up, down. M2, M3, and then ito dito. Kaya ito yung fuse natin dito. This is our fuse here. Connect to here and here. Okay. And here. So, kailangan natin ang line 1 jumper to here. Okay, here. Okay. Connect natin yan dito. Then ito, dito. Sa M2. Siyempre, pag baguhan kayo, hindi nyo alam, kailangan nyo matutunan. Dahil ako, na-experience ko na yan para hindi na kayo mahirapan. Pero kung alam nyo na ang kabisado nyo itong start button, kayang-kaya na yan. Yan ang pinaka-basic. So one here, we don't need to connect here. 3, connect natin dito. Neutral here. Okay. Connect sa line 3. Ito, connect dito. We need jumper here to over here. If our supply is 3-phase motor, all this connection here, follow this connection, follow this. See, line 1, connect to line 3. Line 2 is line 2. Follow this connection if you connect 3-phase motor. This is single phase only. That's why dalawang wire lang ginamit ko. Connect to line 2 here. Okay. Tapos na dito natin to. Ito. And this one here. So now, okay here. Okay. So here, for line 1. So we need line 1 to jumper there. Okay. Then, line 1, connect to line 1. Jumper. Okay. Next is line 3, connect to line 3 and jumper there. Here. Then, line 3. Line 3, jumper to jumper. Jumper to 3. Itong gagamitin ko lang ay 110 volts neutral. Kasi ang load side na supply ng coil natin is 110 volts lang. Right? So, our connection here is done. So, our sample motor, ilaw here, that's up. When this one energizes M2, that means there's a light here that's working. Okay, this is our example. As we know, is motor is working. Up, contactor is up and down. All right. So this is our up. When this light on, that means our motor is chain is going up. Okay. Now down button. We need light here. Because this light is 110 volts only, that's why. Okay, this is our down. Right. This up, this down, right? So this one here, left, right, line 1. This is our left. Okay, left. Then right. Example, this only for example, when moving up, this light on. When going down, this is light on. When left, this light on. Right, light on. Right. This only our example here. Okay. Our motor connection is done. So we are going to control connection. Okay. So, wala tayong transformer kasi 110 volts lang ang kun natin. So, this fuse here, I got jump already to line 1 here. See, line 1 here, I got jump already. So, mayroon na tayong power. Load side, we need this load side to start button. And this neutral, we can get the neutral here. M1, A2 already connected to neutral. Need this jumper to A2, jumper to M3 A2, jumper to M4 A2, jumper to jumper. And same one here, jumper only yung hot wire natin, okay? But it is M1 is auxiliary contact normally open. When you press this change to close contact, this holding coil for hold this one here. Connect this one. So ang coupling gagamitin natin for hoist is color coding. There is a color code. Okay? There is red stripe. White stripe. So, yan ang gagamitin natin kahit wala nang wire number. Ito na pinaka-wire number ng coding. Okay? Yung kable. We will start to connect to the fuse, going to start button. So we need our control is black. From the fuse ay black. Kailangan natin dito papunta sa start button. This black here. Okay. Connect here. Alright. Yung end ng black, remote, papunta sa remote. Ito yung black. Ito yung black natin. This one black, connect to start button. So, this is our start button. Start button. Then up, this up, down, left, right. Start button. Connect this. Okay. Black is connected. So we need one wire so we can get the power from here. Pwede na tayong kumuha dito sa black wire. Okay, dito. Load side, kay malapit, lagay natin dito sa connect to M1 para malapit na. And then yung load side ng M1 papunta sa start button dito sa load side. Kuha tayo ng isa. Okay. And then connect natin sa M1. M1 normally open contact. This is our M1 normally open contact. Our holding contact. Then M1 holding contact, this one here, na nakakabit na yan dito, isang circuit. Output ng M1 here, going to in between ng start and stop button, our jumper here. This energize holding contact here. See this one here. Okay, so we need one wire here. I need white black. Okay, this black is straight guys. Now connected here. This is black, white. Connected here, going to connect natin dito sa pagitan. Stop, start. Jumper na. Alright. This one is connected. Nakakabit na rin tayo dito sa auxiliary contact. And that one here is connected also in between. Stop button going to M1. Ang gagamitin natin dito, orange, stop button to A1. So this is our orange. Connect to stop button. This is stop button here. Sa dulo nito, kunin nyo ang orange. Take the orange. Connect to A1, M1. This M1, A1 is there. Okay. Connect. Ganyan lang ang pagkabit. Okay. Okay. So, connection, all of this one done. So now, if we press this button, is energized and holding contact. I try natin. This one here connected already. Huwag muna natin yan. Just want to show you guys. So fuse turn on. Up down. Not connected yet. Left right not connected yet. We will see this when I press the start button. Supposed to be work now. See? So work now. Dahil nakakabit na natin ang stop start without connection. Yan yung basic control ng stop start motor control guys. Yung basic connection. If you know about this stop start, this basic control circuit, this is a stop start schematic diagram. If you know this one, you can do many control. Now energize. Stop. Magaganap. Nakagabi na ang ating holding contact. This is our holding contact here. See? Okay. Energize. Energize. Okay. Okay. Now stop. We will continue wiring guys. Turn off this one here. Turn off the control circuit. Okay. Next. This up button. This is up button. So, what color you want to use? Okay. Let's say up. I will use red. Okay. We will use red. Okay. Up button. Para malinaw sa up is here. I will use red because color coding, guys. Okay. Put the red here. Dahil dito naka-supply na tayo. Red, kinabit ko dito. So now, red is connected. Next, ikabit natin dito sa normally closed down. This is our down. Normally closed. This is our mechanical interlock to prevent the short circuit of this. Para hindi siya mag-short circuit. Para kahit naka-energize yan, kahit pindutin mo ito, siya gagana. Kasi kapag naka-energize ito, yung M2 na normally closed contact na up, ito is open. Bukas siya, kaya hindi siya gagana. Okay? Okay, now done. Connected here. So, this red wire, we will connect to down normally closed. So, red wire here. Red wire. This is a red one. Connect to, this is down, normally closed. Normally open, normally closed here. This is our interlock for safe. Okay, now done. So, unload side ng down contactor is going to limit switch. Limit switch, guys, is normally closed. This is normally closed, is up. Kasi ang hoist natin taas, baba, kailangan ang may limit switch para hindi maputol ang mapigtas ang chain. Okay? This is two contact. Itong isa dito is normally closed. So we need normally closed to connect the wire. 2122 is normally closed. Connect to 2122. This is for emergency stop. 21 here. Okay. Now connected. Kabit natin sa down, normally closed here. Okay. Okay, connect this one here down, normally to down limit, connect to limit switch, normally close. And output, labas ng limit switch, normally close, going to A1. This one here, going to A1. Okay, here, going to A1. Ganyan lang. Yan. That's easy. Okay. So now, this circuit here is done. Finito. This one, neutral, after. But here I have this one connected here. So we need only for here, but later. Finish this first. Okay. We need this down button here. This is our down. Post button is we need red stripe black. Connect to red stop black here because this one here already connected here. Red stripe black connected here and then going to up. Okay, connect this one first here. Okay, so red stripe black. Yung dulo ng kable natin is here. Itong hoist is, pag nagkakabit kayo dyan, siyempre, kailangan nyo ang genie boom or scissor lift, nasa taas kayo ng control panel. Kasi ako, limit ako nagpalit na to. So, ito yung red stripe black. Ngayon, kabit natin dito sa up, normally closed. This is contactor up, normally closed is here. So, connect this one here. Okay. Hindi ko nilagay dito yung kung anong color ng wire natin dito, wire number, color, hindi ko inilagay para i-explain ko dito para it's up to you kung anong gusto nyong ikabit na kulay. Walang problema yon. Okay? Now, connected to here, up, normally close. So, output pupunta sa limit switch, normally close. Okay? So now, ikabit ko na to. Itong down button is okay, now up button normally closed, connected here. We need this output wire to dalawang wire natin kailangan dito sa normally closed here. Same connection, normally close. Ikabit ko muna itong cover, okay? Up button here, normally close. We need normally close here para hindi magsalubong ang shirt, okay? Now connected. Going to limit switch, down limit switch here, normally close. So this is our down limit switch. 13, 14 is normally open and 21, 22 is normally close. Kahit saan may kabit na terminal, 22, 21 walang problema kasi that's only contact. Okay? So, no problema. Okay, kabit natin sa 21. Okay. Now, done. Alright. So, 22 going to M3, A1. Okay. 22, M3, A1, M3. Connect to A1, M3. A1, M3. Here. M1, M3. A1. Contactor M3, A1. Is a coil. Tapos na tayo. Tapos na ang up and down. The cover here. Okay, sandali lang. And next, left, right is pwedeng green or blue or white and blue. Okay, gamitin natin tong blue. Blue, left. Okay, connect natin dito sa left, blue. Walang problema yun. Okay. Now, nakakunik na. So, yung interlock, okay? So, makita nyo to interlock. So, blue, connect to normally close. Our normally close contact. Right, normally close contact. This right. This normally close here, guys. Okay? Yan. And then, load side niya pupunta sa M4. This is our M4 left. Load side to here, A1. Okay? So, done. Going to M4. M4 here, A1. Left. Left here. Sa A1. A1. Pinito. Done, guys. Okay? Okay. Done. Set. Finito, guys. Right. This is a right. Post button. Okay. This right here. We need this white wire. Okay. So this one is spare. Okay. Spare. Connect to. Alright. Now done. Our connection here done. That's dulo ng cable, guys. The end of the cable here is white. So we need white. White connected to left, normally close. This left, normally close here. Normally close here. Left, normally close. Output going to A1, M5. This M5, A1 here. So we need one wire going there. And we need this one jumper here. Connect to normally close contact. This auxiliary contact is lang ha. I'm not Canadian born, that's why sorry for my English. Okay. Okay, connect to A1, M1, M5. Okay. All right. Okay, connections done. All right. Level check tight. So this one is spare. Okay. Reserva. Our reserva. Now, arisin natin ng control wiring natin, guys. Pagandahin natin, guys, para guwapo naman. Kasing guwapo natin. Okay. M1 here, we need to neutral to M2. So we need M1 neutral, M2, M3, A2, jumper. We need neutral white wire, guys, and then we are done. This is our neutral, connect there. 8. Alright. Neutral A2, jumper to M2, A2. Okay, here, we need this to A2, guys. So, daan natin papunta sa A2. Okay. Dito A2. Okay. A2 here. Then I need A2 jumper. Jumper. That's it. Hangan natin ang jump. Done here. Connect to M3 to A2 here. Jumper here. Okay. Malapit na tayo matapos, guys. No worry. Be happy. Okay, jumper here. Ngayon, connect to left M4, A2 here. And then another A2, left here, A2 here. Connect this jumper. Okay, A2, M5, left, right. Okay. Alright. Finito. Our connection done. Arrange the wire and we will try. Our control fuse is engage the nuts. And this one here, fuse for up down. M1 energize. This is our maintain contact. Start. Can see here. Energize. So now we have a power now here. Hanggang dito na ang power natin. Start button. Power is going here. Okay. So now on is off. So on. When I press this up, power stop, right? Up button. The chain is going up. That's na ating chain. Now, if you release your hand, stop. This one, hindi na kailangan ang holding contact dahil pag may holding ka, hunta ka nakalimutan mo guys, putol. Sira ang hoist. Sira ang chain. Sira ang kable. So, ang may stop-start button lang ito guys para ma-holding ang power. Okay? Yun lang ang may itong dawa lang. Ito lang ang may maintain contact. Pero ito, kapag nakadi, saka lang yan, may power, may energize. Pag binitawan mo, saka mawawala. See? Up. When you press the limit switch here, stop. Just is emergency lang ha. Hindi nyo napatay, papatay nyo para di mapigtas ang chain. Ito lang purpose. Okay? Pero hindi nyo naman nanabot yun. Just in case lang. To down button is, now this down button, kapag nakapress ang down button, bumababa yung chain. The chain is going down. There is, at the end of the chain is emergency limit switch yung nakakabit sa guys, di maputol din guys. Nahit na yung chain, patay niya contactor. Okay, this one here, left, so going left, then going back, reverse. Itong forward, left, parehas lang ng forward reverse motor control. Parehas lang connection niya, up and down, and right. Same connection guys, right? Okay. Press button yung up and down. Doesn't work. Down button doesn't work. Kasi meron tayong interlock. This up button. This up button here up. When you press up. This one calculator is energized. This M2 normally close here is up here is become ma-open siya. Open siya pag pinrest mo yan. Because this one energized. This one open. So this one open here. That's why even you press down button, up button, that one doesn't work. That's the purpose for the interlock. Parehas din sila ng left and right, same haba interlock. See? Hindi mo pa rin napapagana yan. This one here, you can use left and right. Walang problema, no problem. You can bring the chain up, going to left, no problem. Going to right, no problem. But left and right, okay? Sometimes guys, itong kable, napuputol itong kable, nakagawa dyan, napuputol ang kable dito, babalatan nyo yan, papasok nyo. Ngayon, kung troubleshoot nyo dito, yung wire number, magagamit guys, tester, troubleshoot nyo anong, stop button, magtutroubleshoot ito, magkakon kung putol ang kable, itong wire, saragaya, magagamit natin yan dito na putol guys. Alright, have a great day, bye bye.